What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the RooseVelt Assets. Okay, so essentially, this is a real estate investment project where you can invest with crypto. Okay, guys, so they have 20 plus years of experience. They are based in UK and Singapore. Okay, so if you come over here to the homepage, you can find more information about the project, what they do, and what sort of what do you call it, investment opportunities they offer. Okay, but essentially how it works, it's very simple. Okay, guys, so we as investors gonna invest in this protocol, RooseVelt Assets, okay, with our crypto funds, and those crypto funds will be sent to the crypto assets pools, which therefore will be invested in real estate funds, and then from there will generate profits. Those profits will generate fees, and those fees will be sent back to RooseVelt Assets, and part of those profits will send back to the investors. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see that we can find a contact us, and we have the FAQs somewhere. Where are the FAQs at? FAQs, you find this somewhere. Services, where the FAQs at? I cannot find the FAQs, but they have the FAQs somewhere. You just have to look around, okay? But let's have a look at the projects and stuff that they offer. Services, our company. I really cannot find the FAQs, but I saw it somewhere. My bad, guys. But yes, all the information is going to be here. So if you are interested, just come over here and look around before you invest. Okay, so let me show you my dashboard and let me show you what's up. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Oh, FAQs right there. Okay, so FAQs right there. Okay, so over here we got the information about the projects. Let me just turn this down. Information about the project, and also they have a cool thing is videos how to top up your balance, how to withdraw, how to deposit, and etc. Okay, so all the information is going to be around here. Okay, so come over here to my dashboard. We can see that I invested 200 bucks, and so far I've made total profit of 8 bucks and haven't withdrawn anything because the minimum withdrawal amount is 13 bucks. Okay, so keep that in mind. So how to make a deposit? Very simple. Click on hit deposits, a new deposit, and then you got to select the amounts. Okay, my bad, it's not here. It's so you come over here to wallets again. Come over here to wallets, and if you would deposit, you hit add. If you want to withdraw, you hit minus. Okay, so hit add. Okay, and you don't have to select the amount to send over to this project. Okay, guys. So the minimum deposit is 12 bucks. Okay, so you just gotta send a minimum of 12 bucks. Okay, but so let's say you want to start with 100 bucks. All you gotta do, go to your exchange, copy this wallet address, send 100 USDT TRC20 to this wallet address, and within 16 minutes you will receive your funds. Okay, so funds going to be in your wallet. Once you got the funds in your wallet, you will see the funds right here, and then all you got to do is come over here to my deposit. So let's say you got 100 bucks available. You select the plan that you want to start with. Okay, so as you can see, we got 6 plans, and each plan has a minimum investment. Okay, so this one goes from 10 to 500, 500 to 2.5, 2.5 to 5,000, 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 50,000, and 50,000 to 100,000. You know, the more you invest, the more you will earn, and the higher will be your ROI, and also the duration of the plan. Okay, the plan that I'm rolling with is this one right here. You know, 15 days plan. I'm earning 1.4% per day. After 15 days, my ROI is going to be 21 bucks, and I will be able to withdraw my initial investment. Okay, so if you come over here, scrolling down, we can see my dashboard. Okay, so we can see that my investment balance was 200 bucks, but now I have 206 because we have two features right here. So we got the compounding. That means my daily rewards. So once my daily rewards are available, um, those rewards will be added to my investment amounts and I will be earning more rewards. Okay, we can see right here, I was supposed to earn only $3, I think, $3 a day or $2 a day, something like that. But because I'm compounding, I'm earning more in the long run. And we got the reactivation. Okay, so that means after 12 days, if this reactivation is on, I will be automatically rolled over to another 15 days. Okay, and on top of that, I will have a 5% bonus on my deposit. So for example, if I have 100 bucks and then after 15 days, I decided to reactivate, okay, I will be added 100 bucks plus the 5%, which is in this case, $5. Okay, so my total invested will be 105 bucks. But obviously, if I have the compound function right here, my 100 bucks after 15 days is not going to be 100 bucks because it's auto compounding my rewards. Okay, essentially that's what's happening. If you come over here to statistics, we can see that I was earning 2.8 USDT per day, but then I decided to compound. Okay, so the next day it didn't compound, but on the third day it did compound. So instead of earning 2.8, I'm 2.8392. So tomorrow probably it's going to be 2.84, 2.85, something like that. Okay, guys, the main thing is going to compound our rewards. Okay, and essentially that's that, guys. So after 15 days, you can cash out your initial investment and you can cash out your daily rewards if it's greater than 13 bucks. Okay, we can see over here the minimum withdrawal amount is 12 bucks. Okay, 12 bucks, and you pay $2 tax on that. Okay, and those fees will be sent back to the project. Okay, and essentially that's that, guys. So far so good. I cannot complain about the project, right? And in about, I don't know, 5 days, I'm going to give you an update about this project, let y'all know how the project is doing, and if there is any updates about the project in regards to investments and all that, I will let y'all know. That being said, guys, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.